I really did not want to start off negative. I didn't want to start this off negative, but I'm gonna have to. This is the candle that I was reviewing when I had the idea for this channel. It's a Mainstays. I'm a Tuscany guy, which isn't really like anything huge, but I'm a Tuscany guy. Those are Mainstays. It's the Mainstays sour apple or sweet apple. Let's get into the notes for the video. So I took notes, and I actually called it Mainstays sour apple because I get a Granny Smith note here. I don't get the sweet apple that they say it is. All right. So price, it's under $4. That's a 3-wick. The wicks do have trouble staying lit though. Those of you who don't know what that is, that's just a little pieces in there, 3-wick. The little wicks in there, things that burn, you know. The scent on cold, which is when it's not lit and when it's not warm. Minimal throw, which means projection on cold. Bright smell, when you can get it. It has a sour note, so I don't get the pear or the vanilla. I just get a Granny Smith apple. No pear or vanilla, although listed. Scent on hot, which is when it's lit, basically the same. Throw, which also means sillage is minimal, which means the scent bubble, how far out it goes. Maybe 5 feet or so. Tunneling, almost no tunneling, which is a positive when wicks stay lit, which is the problem with this one. It's got those big, thick wicks that don't like to stay lit. Size, 11.5 ounces. The wax, because of the price, it's probably not a soy, and it's definitely not a beeswax. It's most likely paraffin or soy paraffin blend, but probably mostly paraffin, which is derived from petroleum. As you can tell from it, one of the ways you'll know is when you do burn it. This is the wax that was already warmed. This is the wax that hasn't been melted yet. With paraffins, you tend to get this really bright, like unnatural brightness to it. And then when you burn it, it tends to kind of be more of a matte color. The notes on this, scent does come and go. It's kind of, you'll catch it in a whiff. It does come and go. It's not consistent, and you'll catch whiffs of it in passing. So if you like leave the room, or you know, every so often you'll catch a whiff of it. Anyone who knows me knows I'm not the super scripty type, so the fact that I am going to be taking notes for this channel is going to be a little bit weird for me. But honestly, here's the more relaxed version of this. It's what, $3.93 or whatever it was, maybe even less than that at Walmart for this price. If anyone from my main channel finds me here and they're from the fragrance community, they're gonna know I tend to not like summer fragrances, so the real light kind of ones that disappear, whereas the gourmands, you know, the stuff, I tend to prefer the heavier, kind of more complex fragrances, and you just don't get that with this. It's I do have a couple from them that I'm really excited to try, but you don't get this. It didn't really soot a lot, which is good. It is a 3-wick. For a 3-wick, I'm surprised it didn't throw a little bit more, but man, it could just be the nature of the fragrances. It's juicy apple, pear, and vanilla. There's no juicy apple in this. Every time I smell this, look at it, think of it, I get that like sharp, like when you bite into something sour, like a Granny Smith apple. That's what I get with this. And it reminded me of it so much that, like, see, that's the great thing about the olfactory senses. Well, all of your senses, they so closely tie together that they react when one gets set off. But right now, like the biting into a sour apple, Granny Smith, which I'm not a fan of those, is coming to me because of this. So to even get down this far, yeah, like, I'm glad I could barely smell it. Most of the time couldn't smell it because it would have been killing me the whole time. So I am going to do the way this is going to work. I'm going to kind of give it 1 to 10. I'm going to say 3 on this because it is accurate to what it says it would be, kind of. I don't get the pear or the vanilla, but I get the apple. I don't get sweet, I get sour. But I think that there'll probably be somebody that likes this one. It's just not me. It just ain't for me. So I'm gonna have to give this one a 3 on a scale of 1 to 10. Hopefully I'll be able to review some stuff and have you suggest a good product to you guys that you guys will like and enjoy. And maybe you guys will like and enjoy this one. Maybe my negative review on it, maybe I said something positive in your eyes that would make you think you like this. And if you do, more power to you. It just wasn't for me. Later. Oh, channel slogan. I explained it in the intro video, so I'll just say it. You be my wax, I'll be your wick.